Chapter 9. Geometry. Basic geometrical terms. Point. A point is an exact location, usually denoted by a dot on a plane. A fine dot represents a point. In the given figure, A is a point. A line segment. Let A and B be 2 points. The straight path from A to B is called the line segment, AB denoted by AB. The points A and B are called the end points of AB. The distance between point A and B is called the length of AB. A line. A line is an endless straight path that extends in both directions. A line segment AB, extended on both sides and marked by arrow marks on both the ends, represents a line, denoted by AB. A ray. A ray is a straight path having one end and extending endlessly in one direction only. The end point of a ray is called its initial point. In the adjoining figure, PQ is a ray. P is the initial point of PQ. Plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends indefinitely in all directions. It is a 2D concept. The surface of a tabletop, a book, a sheet of paper, etc. are examples of portion of a plane. Parallel and intersecting lines. If two lines are separated by the same distance throughout their lengths and they never meet, they are known as parallel lines. Railway tracks are common examples of parallel lines. Parallel lines are indicated by identical lines. Two lines AB and CD cut each other at a point O. This point is called the point of intersection, and the lines are called intersecting lines. Measuring line segments. To measure a line segment, we use a ruler or scale. One edge of a ruler is marked in centimeters, cm, as shown below. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small divisions. Each small division is called a millimeter, mm. Thus, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. To draw a line segment of a given length. Example 1. Draw a line segment of length 5.7 centimeters. Solution. Place the ruler on the plain paper and hold it firmly. Mark a point with a fine pencil against the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler. Name it point P. By sliding the pencil gently along the edge of the ruler, draw a line segment up to the mark 7 small divisions ahead of the 5 centimeter mark on the ruler. Name the point against 5.7 centimeters mark as Q. Then PQ is equal to 5.7 centimeters or 5 centimeters, 7 millimeters. Closed and open figures. Look at the following figures. All these figures have the same starting point and end point. These figures are known as closed figures. However, the figures may not have the same starting and end points. The figures which do not have the same starting and end points are known as open figures. Polygons. Some closed figures are formed with the line segments. These are called polygons. A polygon is a two-dimensional closed figure formed by 3 or more line segments. The line segments which make up the polygon are known as its sides, and the point at which 2 line segments meet is called the vertex, plural, vertices. The simplest polygon is a triangle made up of 3 line segments. No polygon can be formed by less than 3 line segments. Types of polygons. The names of different types of polygons are as follows: triangle, 3 sides and vertices; quadrilateral, 4 sides and vertices; pentagon, 5 sides and vertices; hexagon, 6 sides and vertices; heptagon, 7 sides and vertices; octagon, 8 sides and vertices; nonagon, 9 sides and vertices; decagon, 10 sides and vertices. Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a 2-dimensional shape made up of 4 sides and 4 vertices. Squares and rectangles are special types of quadrilaterals. Square. A square has 4 equal sides. The opposite sides of a square are parallel to one another. The diagonals of a square are equal. Rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides. However, all sides of a rectangle are not equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Circle. A round, plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from the center is called circle. A circle is round in shape and has no sides and corners. We can use objects like a bangle, glass bottle cap, or coin to draw a circle. A wheel, 1 rupee coin, bangle, and clock remind us of a circle. Center of a circle. The fixed point inside the circle is called center. The distance between this point and any point on the circumference is equal. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. Radius of a circle. The straight line that joins the center to any point on the circumference of the circle is called radius of the circle. Diameter of a circle. The straight line that cuts a circle in 2 equal halves is called diameter of the circle. A diameter always passes through the center of the circle. The length of the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. In the given figure, OA, OB and OC are the radius of the circle. The line segment AB is the diameter of the circle. Examples. A. If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, its diameter is equal to 2 into 5 centimeters is equal to 10 centimeters. B. If the diameter of the circle is 12 centimeters, its radius is 12 divided by 2 centimeters is equal to 6 centimeters. Circumference of a circle. The distance around the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Drawing a circle. We can draw a circle of given radius using a compass. Example 2. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Solution. Step 1. Fix the metal tip of the compass at 0 on the ruler. Step 2. Open out the compass to measure 3 centimeters on the ruler. The tip of the pencil should rest on the 3 centimeter mark. Now, the distance between the 2 arms of the compass is 3 centimeters. Step 3. Mark point O on the notebook. Keep the metal tip of the compass on point O. Step 4. Keeping the metal tip fixed to move the pencil tip around until the full circle is drawn. Solids. We see many objects around us, such as a road roller, brick, dice, an ice cream cone, and a ball. All these objects occupy space. An object which occupies space is called a solid. Solids are three-dimensional, that is, they have height along with length and breadth. Some common solids are given below. Cube. A cube is made up of 6 square, flat faces, 8 vertices, and 12 straight edges. All the sides of a cube are equal. Some examples of cube are ice cube, dice, etc. Cuboid. A cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular flat faces, 8 vertices, and 12 straight edges. All the sides of a cuboid are not equal. Some examples of a cuboid are brick, book, etc. Cone. A cone has 1 flat face and 1 curved face. It has 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. Some examples of cone are ice cream cone, joker's cap, etc. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. It has 2 curved edges and no vertex. Some examples of cylinder are tube light, iron rod, etc. Sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face. It has no edge and no vertex. Some examples of sphere are cricket ball, marble, etc.